App-V for today, MSIX for tomorrow. Organizations using application virtualization and containerization can more rapidly provision end users into different environments, safely add new applications into existing systems, and extend the life of mission-critical applications as the OS evolves around them. For years, Temergent has been running their training programs for IT professionals using Microsoft App-V and now MSIX. A training with Tim Mangan, the world expert on Windows applications, is often viewed as a career highlight. Our immersive programming, backed by solid fundamentals, explained in clear terms, provides an opportunity to experience real-world challenges while understanding what is happening under the covers. These classes traditionally have been held in person, either in training facilities near you, or for those with enough to be trained at the customer site. But given the new normal that we are adjusting to due to the COVID-19 pandemic, remote training needs to become an option as well. The updated experts-level packaging for App-V and MSIX training course is now available from us remotely. We change things around a bit when we have remote students, but this is the same content covered by our in-person class. We cover the fundamental concepts common to all forms of application repackaging, with a focus on how applications integrate into the OS, making it possible for the packager to better recognize what the app intends to do and to customize the application and adjust for the packaging format and runtimes that it will be used in. We dive into the specifics for App-V, the packaging form that you can use today, and MSIX, the packaging form intended for the future. The student will learn the right way to set up their packaging and test environments, and the current best practices for packaging using the Microsoft App-V sequencer or MSIX packaging tool. The extensive hands-on labs teach using the tools, approaches for success with different scenarios, and a heavy dose of debugging skills. The in-person class is an intense 5-day experience. Some remote classes will follow that schedule when combined with an in-person class. But for classes that are running remote only, we will run on a 10-day schedule for 4 hours per day. This will not only help with the concentration levels, but students will have time each day to complete other work-related tasks and not have to be out in training for an entire week. But while in-person students work with lab equipment that we provide and prepare, remote students will need to build their own virtual machines prior to the start of class. Depending on their experience, this might take a half to a full day to get prepared. We provide access to the installers, full instructions, and even a short video that will help them along. Additionally, we will have a pre-class online meeting to discuss any issues that they're having and iron out any audio and video kinks with that remote video technology well before the start of class. We will be using GoToMeeting for that remote video, allowing us to share cameras and desktops as needed. Chances are you're already familiar with things like Teams, Zoom, or WebEx, so even if you've never used GoToMeeting, it will seem quite familiar. In addition, for both in-person and remote students, we're now offering a post-class remote meeting, scheduled at your convenience. From now on, each organization with students in one of our classes can schedule a free 1-hour follow-up consultation call, anytime for up to 6 months following the class. This will be a chance for students to follow up with any questions that they have after going back into the office and working further with the technology. A training with Temergent is the most comprehensive dive into packaging technology in the industry. Your employees will be the best prepared to take on the challenges for today and for tomorrow.